And thank you so much for watching my videos. Now, I am super excited because I have some charity gift baskets I wanted to share with you guys. I also went to CVS and they had some amazing clearance items. So kind of a run deal. If you have an opportunity to head to CVS, you might want to check to see if these items are on clearance. Now, before we get started, do not forget I do have an amazing extreme coupon kit with a tablet. It's the coupon binder, a coupon planner, a ton of coupon accessories, and a tablet I am giving away. So if you have not clicked on that to enter to win, definitely do so. I will link that at the end of the video. I also have a CVS gift card and bonus prizes in my CVS haul. So if you have not seen that, I will link that at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The MUA Academy line at CVS. Some CVS's are revamping that line and some CVS's are completely getting rid of that line, which is kind of great for us, kind of sad for us if we really like it. But they did have a lot of 75% off clearance. I only picked up items that I knew I was going to use or definitely wanted to try out, but I was too cheap to try out. So one thing I definitely wanted to try was the eyelash adhesive. I got it in black. These were $1.25. They were 75% off, which is a great deal. And then I picked up the clear, which was $1.25 as well. Now they had some awesome lipstick finds at 75% off. This one was $1.99. Great color, and it is a matte lip, so I'm excited to try that out. And then they had eyelashes, guys, and these were ringing up for $1.25 as well. So I picked up 2 of the Glamour eyelashes for $1.25, and I'm excited to try these out. You guys know I love a really great eyelash, and I think I'm really going to like these. So pick these up. Now the next things that I saw were the Yes To items. Now these are ringing up for 74 cents, 75% off. So I picked up several because you guys know I am working on charity gift baskets, and I'm also working on gathering things for that prom that I will be working on shortly. So this is the Instant No Rinse shampoo cap, and I thought it'd be a little bit different than doing a face mask. So I did pick up however many they had. They had a ton of them in the back. I didn't take them from the floor. I talked to the manager and I go there quite a bit, and she's like, no, we have boxes of these. I'm like, oh, okay, can you grab me a bag? So she grabbed me a bag, and then I still left the remaining on the floor for other people to enjoy. So I did pick up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I figured I could put some of these in my Christmas gifts I'll be working on, as well as those charity gift baskets and different things, maybe some for your guys' giveaway. So I picked up several. They also had this Yes To Carrot Vibrance Boosting with the vitamin C Instant No Rinse shower cap. So I did pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, which is a great deal for 74 cents. And then they had these, which is the Vibrance Boosting Hair Clay Mask. Now they only had 4 of these, so I went ahead and picked these up as well. And then they had 1 of the hair masks for the smoothing hair clay. And yeah, so 74 cents, guys. Definitely keep an eye out for that. So I'm going to show you guys some of the charity gift baskets that I'm working on. I'm working on 4 this week for a church. These are going to be for the chaplain of a church that has Bible study, and she wants to give the ladies and one guy something special. So let me show you guys how I put my charity gift baskets together and what's going to be them. A lot of it is coupon items, 99-cent store item, and clearance finds. The first basket I'm making is for a female, and of course I always stuff it with with newspaper at the bottom, and then I put tissue on top. Now these baskets I actually got at Michael's when they had their $4 grab bags, and I got a ton of baskets. These are my last 4, which I'm kind of bummed about because they were perfect gift basket. So if you guys this was right after Easter when they did their grab bags. I picked up a few and I was able to snag some super cheap baskets. Now of course you can use ones from Dollar Tree. You can use whichever you wanted to use. They have a ton of them available right now, especially since it's Christmas time. You can use a Christmas themed one, but I'm going to use the last 4 that I have because it cost me absolutely nothing. And then the paper, of course, we get for free because we're couponers, and more than likely we get the paper. Okay, so let me show you what it's going to look like and what I'm going to add. If you saw my CVS haul, you know I picked up a ton of these. They are not I did not pay $4.99 for it. I picked it up for 99 cents or probably less. I think I probably picked it up for free. So that's going to be in the basket. I have an extra one of these Mythical Glow highlighter palettes, which I could not believe I had another one. I guess I bought 2 of them when I saw them a long time ago. That was a clearance find. This was from Walgreens. I actually picked this up, I want to say Valentine's Day clearance, and I paid 50 cents for it. Did not pay the $5. They were 90% off, so I held on to it. Of course, I picked this up at CVS. This is the Black Onyx Induction Perfume. And then another 99-cent store find, which is the Glamorous Kabuki brush. And I really like the little diamonds on it. I thought it was a great little set right here. And then, of course, I'm going to add one of these purple Yes 2 Carats no instant no rinse shower caps. So I'm going to put it together in the basket, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what the basket's going to look like when it's all said and done. Now, normally I would fill up every single inch of this basket, but I kind of like the way the purple looks out of it. I think it looks really pretty. And this cost me $1.50, $2, $3, $5 to make, guys. $5. Maybe $5.50, including the tissue. Nope, we're going to add another $1 for the shrink wrap pull and bow. So this whole gift cost me $6.50 to make, which I think is a great deal. Okay, let's move on to the next basket. I do have the Devil Wears Divinity perfume. Now, actually, this one is open, so I can show you guys what the bottle looks like. I did give one of these away in my last subscriber appreciation giveaway. This one retails for, I don't know if you could see that. Let's see if I can get the Rite Aid sticker on there. But you can't really see it. But it retails, there you go, for $14.99. But you guys know, I found these at the 99-cent only store. But isn't that a pretty bottle? Really, really pretty. So that is going to go in there. And then I also have a kabuki brush, a London Soho kabuki brush, and this one is from the 99-cent only store. I have another Walgreens After Valentine's Day little clearance find I got for 90% off, so this was 50 cents. And then you guys know I picked up a bunch of these, and this was pretty much free. If anything, it cost me 99 cents. I don't even think I paid that for that. And then I'm going to add a pink Yes 2 Carat instant no rinse shampoo cap. So 75 cents, $1.50, $2.25, $3, $4, $5 gift, guys. $5, but it retails for $14.99. That's $15, $20, $25. This is actually like $3.49 at CVS. So $28, about a $30 gift. I paid $5 for. Amazing. So let me put this together and I'll show you guys what it's going to look like. So this is what the basket is going to look like. Of course, I'm going to shrink wrap it. So when I shrink wrap it, it's going to be a lot more even, because if I keep messing with this, it'll fall. I know, you guys, I'm in my robe. It's cold in here. Okay, so that one is my little $5 gift. Really cute, super nice. So let's move on to the next one. Is for a man, and you guys know I have the hardest time with men gifts, but I think I did pretty good. I got the foldable stereo headphones. These were 75% off at Target. They retail for $5. So this was what, $2 and... No, wait, it was $1.75. So this I'm going to put in the basket. If I can get it to lean right, I'll show you guys after, because I got to play around with it. And then I have here a Fundamentals Special Edition by Wagner cologne. And this was 99 cents. I got it at the 99-cent only store. And then I have here a nice House to Home blanket. I actually got this, oh gosh, I got this at CVS, and it was 90% off. So I paid, it was $3.99. I paid 39 cents for it, 90% off. So great deal on that. So this whole gift cost me $4 to make. It does retail for $10, $11, so not a bad deal. It cost me $3, retails for $11, and it's a really nice gift, a great Christmas gift. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Definitely, if you're a clearance hunter, hold on to those clearance items, because you can use them at the end of the year for Christmas gifts, and that's a nice little Christmas gift for a man. Okay, let me put it together. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what the gift is going to look like when it's complete. Of course, I'm going to shrink wrap all these guys so they stay in place. And yeah, let's move on to the last one. So last gift is going to be this Lovely Things little something bath salts. I got these 90% off at Walgreens, 50 cents. 99-cent only store kabuki brush, and I love this one. It has the pink glitter on it. Of course, one of these Devil Wears Divinity Rite Aid finds, but I found this at the 99-cent only store, so I'm going to go ahead and utilize that. And then another one of these Wet n Wild sets. It's just quick and easy. It has everything in it: mascara, makeup. Really nice little set. And then I'm going to add, of course, one of these Yes To of vibrancy boosting that I got at CVS at 75% off. So great deal on that. Let me put it together. I'll show you guys what it looks like. In total is costing me $5.75 to make, which I think is a great deal. If I went out and purchased everything at full retail, I would have spent a little over $30, which is pretty expensive for me. And I really like the way it looks. I really like the way it came out. So let me start shrink wrapping, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're complete. So my baskets are complete. I did shrink wrap them. I did do a tutorial on how to shrink wrap, and if you would like me to do that once again, I'd be happy to. Just let me know in the comment section. It's a process to shrink wrap, and I know it's trial and error, and if I can help you guys in any ways, let me know. The bags are the shrink wrap pull-in boat from the Dollar Tree. And these are great gifts, guys. That's why I love showing you guys my clearance finds and clearance hauls, because you can definitely utilize it, especially during the holiday season, even birthday season. Things come up all the time. If you pull from your stockpile, you're going to save money in the long run. Like I said, these gifts retail way over $30, but I probably paid less than $5 for each one of these baskets. And I think these ladies and that one guy is really going to like it. Now, I like them all, but this one happens to be like draws my attention the most, and I really like that one. I also like the way the guy's gift came out. I think it came out really nice. And then this is the final one. So don't forget to enter that coupon kit giveaway. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Don't forget to enter for that CVS gift card giveaway. I hope you guys have a fabulous, blessed evening. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, and I will be talking to you guys real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!